So a few weeks ago, I was at the annual conference of the Association of Corporate Counsel, which is the biggest organization of in-house attorneys in the country. You can imagine that was a pretty hot topic of conversation. But no, I don't think that, to use a kind of an old technology term, I don't think attorneys are going to get disintermediated or, sort of obsoleted by this. And maybe back to something that we talked about earlier, AI needs the context, right? All of this stuff needs context, and context includes judgment. And so, I think it's an enabler. If I think back to my early days working in a law firm, I was a junior associate, and I was just learning and I didn't know a lot. And a partner would hand me a contract and say, review this contract and spot issues for me. And I would do my best. But the partner would look at it and come up with 7 other issues because the partner had a lot more experience than I did. And so I think that it can be an enabler that will accelerate the process and make it more efficient, but will it eliminate all of that judgment? Certainly no time soon.
I was
right?
going